Hello YouTube friend, welcome back to the Newcar TV channel. Don't forget to like, comments, subscribe and share.
Shortly after electric vehicle startup Canoo unveiled a pickup truck, a rival startup in the space, ALPHA Motors, revealed renderings of its own electric truck. Just as the Canoo pickup is based on the same skateboard platform used by the company's minivan and delivery van, the ALPHA Wolf is based on the startup's other two proposed models, the Ace Coupe and Jax Crossover Coupe. That means the Wolf gets retro styling which, in this case, is vaguely reminiscent of old Japanese compact pickups. However, the Wolf is about 2 feet longer than the Ace. That still makes it fairly compact by modern pickup standards, though. It's about 2 feet shorter than a Ford Ranger Super Crew, for example. The bed measures 65 inches long, 59 wide, and 16 deep. ALPHA doesn't quote payload capacity, although it does mention a 3,000-pound towing capacity. The Wolf also features a front, and images from ALPHA's website show an available solar bed cover. As with the Jax, ALPHA plans to offer the Wolf in single-motor, front-wheel drive and dual-motor, all-wheel drive configurations. ALPHA estimates 250 to 275 miles of range, and 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in 6.2 seconds. While several other companies are planning electric trucks, ALPHA and Canoo stand out by going with truly compact models, potentially reviving a market segment that disappeared from the United States years ago. Canoo is quoting similar range for its truck, but with 600 horsepower from its dual-motor, all-wheel drive powertrain. Canoo has also shown working prototypes of its skateboard chassis and its first production EV, a minivan the company plans to offer exclusively through a subscription service. ALPHA has only shown static images so far. Nonetheless, ALPHA is taking reservations for the Wolf. Full pricing is expected to run between $36,000 and $46,000. Deliveries are promised to start in 2023.